Okay, I'm going to teach you how to do a simple half double crochet border around your corner to corner project. Okay, to do this, just do a slip stitch with your color of choice into one of, got it stuck. Okay, so just slip stitch into one of the spaces between your little tiles, and then you're going to do 2 half double crochets in each of the tiles all the way around. So on this side, this is a side of one of your tiles, you're going to just find a space for 2 half double crochets. So one of them, I did in that half double crochet, and then here I'm going to do like on the top of the half double crochet. 2. I'm going to skip that space, and then in between these half double crochets, those stitches, I'm going to do 2 half double crochet. So we want to do 2 stitches per tile, and then you'll know how many stitches you're going to have per row. So like here I have 4 tiles, and I should have 8 half double crochets per side. Here I'm at a corner. I'm just going to chain 1 and turn, and in that same space I'm going to do the half double crochet and start along the top. Okay. I think that the half double crochet works really good in this border. I've done a single crochet border before, and it just seems too bunchy, like too tight. So this half double crochet is just a little bit looser. What stitch do you like to use? Let me know in the comments. Here I'm at another corner. So chain, I chained 2. Chain 1. And then do 2 half double crochets in each tile all the way around. I'll also teach you in a separate video on how to join squares, like if you're making corner to corner afghan squares. So look for that video, and I'll link it below, and I'll link it up here in the corner. Oops. So it's a single crochet. Really, if it looks better to do your crochet like in this space, that's fine, because that just looked a little too tight to do those together. Let me know if you have a better way of doing it. Let's get these out of the way. Two and 2. Now I'm back to the beginning, and I'm just going to slip stitch. Start. You'll definitely want to block your square. Okay, and this that looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Yeah, cute. Okay, like my video if you like it, comment with what you like to do for your border, And subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the little bell so you're updated when I post something new. Thank you!